morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The oil rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar for the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Hong Kong spot Bitcoin ETFs are far underperforming their US counterparts in the first week of launch. The 3 spot Bitcoin ETFs that launched on April the 30th in Hong Kong have attracted a total of $262 million in assets under management, the vast majority of which was subscribed to before the listing. Oil futures rose after Saudi Arabia hiked June crude prices for most regions, and as the prospect of a quick agreement for a Gaza ceasefire deal appeared slim, reviving fears that combat between Hamas and Israeli forces will resume soon. US stock indexes rose, extending gains made last week on investors betting on a greater chance of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates this year. The benchmark S&P 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq hit 3-week highs.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst to pick up today's main economic events.
Germany's trade balance will be released at 6 GMT. Germany's factory orders at 6 GMT. The US 3-year note auction at 17 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.